Dyson V7 Trigger Cord-Free Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. Capacity volume 0.15 gallon. Cord-free. Hassle-free. No cord to unravel, plug in, drag around and restrict your reach. You can quickly and easily clean when you need to. Tools included: mini motorized tool, combination tool, crevice tool. Powered by Dyson Digital Motor V7. The most powerful handheld vacuum. Up to 30 minutes of fade-free suction. With fade-free lithium-ion batteries, suction starts strong and stays strong. Hygienic dirt ejector. Hygienically drive out trapped dust and debris in single action. There's no need to touch the dirt.